Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to watch YouTube while using other apps. So before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. So firstly, what you have to do is for you to go over to you, and over at this you side, which is your profile, go over to the setting, which is at the right corner at the upside. Let me go over to it, and over there you're going to scroll down. You're going to see video and audio preference. You move over to playback, and over here in playback you're going to see picture in picture, which is at the downside. And also, if your own is turned off, make sure that it's turned on. And the other way for you to do it, for you to get it done, is for you to go over to your setting and move over to general. And over at the general place you're going to see picture in picture also. Let me go over to it, and here is turned on. So let me go over to YouTube to play any video to show you how to do it. So this is the video here. Let me go out from YouTube. You're going to see that the video will be playing at the background. Look at it over here. And the best thing about this is that you can put it in any corner which you want, left, right, anyone. And you can also make it in a small size, or you can enlarge it also. You can fast forward it 10 seconds, 20 seconds. You can pause and you can play it. And this all for today. And guys, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye.